Hello students, welcome back class 12. Today I am discussing our Pandas DataFrame topic and I am taking a practical example. Okay students, now you can see. Okay, so you can see my mouse pointer. This is our DataFrame. Import Pandas SPD. Okay, here I am using std is equal to pd.dataframe. Okay, pd.dataframe, this is our function, and in bracket we are, this is function small bracket opening, small bracket closing, and inside we are using the dictionary concept. So opening brace and closing brace. Okay, you can see, or inside you can see roll number. This is our first column, colon, and all the values of roll number you can see 101, 102, 103, comma, name is our second column, and the second column value you can see Akash, Vikas and Himmat. Okay, and I want to save this program and run this program. You can see. Okay students, now you can see the output. Okay, so in this output you can see our data frame output, roll number, name. Okay, 0 position you can see 101 Akash, 1 you can see 102 Vikas, and 2 you can see 103 Himmat. Okay, this is very simple example. Now I want to show something new thing. Okay, suppose I want to copy, okay, and paste this code. Okay, suppose you want to add a new column maths. Okay, you want to add a new column maths. But here roll number and name you can see, but I want to add a new column. So simply we can use our data frame name std. In square bracket we simply write our new column name maths, and all the maths column value means 101 Akash 78, 102 Vikas 98, and 102 Himmat 48. Okay, so this command is used to add a new column, and we can run this program again. So you can see this is our output. Okay, you can see this is our second output. You can see here is a maths column. You can see this is our maths column I have added. Okay, suppose you want to add a science column. Okay, simply you can copy this code and paste this code. Okay, so simply we can use science. Here I am using science, or we can put science value. Suppose I want to replace something. Okay, I want to replace some values. Okay, now I want to save this program. Okay, and run this program again. Now you can see in the last here roll number, name, maths and science column values 70, 90 and 40. So this command is most important to add a new column science. So after creating data frame we can add our new column. Okay student, suppose to add a calculated column. Okay, so I am using print to add a new calculated column total. Okay, simply total. So for total, here we can mention new column name total, but total on the basis of maths marks column and science marks column. So simply we can select maths column. Okay, directly we can perform, and we can select science column. Okay, so here student total column will create maths and science after sum operation. So you can see 78 plus 70 98 plus 90 and 48 plus 40. Then we can simply print our std data frame. So first we save our program and run this program again. Okay students, so you can see here maths column you can see, science column you can see, and total you can see 78 plus 70, 148, 98, okay, and 48, 40 and 88. Okay students, so you can see. So after creating data frame we can add a new column, another new column, and here this is most important, we can create a total column with the help of math and science column, because we can save directly, we can use directly, because first we select our maths column, then we select science column and we put plus operator, because we can say this is our vector operation. In vector operation we can directly use as a arithmetic expression. There is no need to use loops and other things. We can simply use direct our arithmetic expression and to perform our. So this here I already created a new column, total. Okay, here I am using some new thing. Okay, suppose here you want to add a new row. Okay, suppose you want to add a new row. So here in this program you can see this is also important operation. Okay, first I want to explain. Okay, we already created calculator column. Suppose you want to add a new row. Here you can see we have only 103, Himmat, 48, 40 and 88. This is our last row. But after that I want to add a new row. So here I am using append method. Here I am using append method. So you keep in mind append method is most important. So we can use std.append and in small bracket opening closing. Here first we use our each and every column name, row in curly braces, roll number, here colon we can use 104, comma, then we use your name Vinod, because this is our string, so we can use in single quotes. Then we can use our maths column, because maths we in after creating we created, so maths column 88 and science we can create 98, but total we will create after that, because I want to show some new thing. And comma ignore index is equal to true. This is important because this is our new row. So append method you can create, and after executing this command directly affect to our std data frame, automatically attach a new row after 103. So 104 Vinod, 88 and 98 record you can see, but total here Python will show NaN. Python will show NaN. So I want to save this program and run this program again. So you can see here in last you can see, okay, this is 104 Vinod, 88, 98, but in total you can see NaN. NaN means here is unknown and missing information, because I want to calculate total. Okay, there is no problem, we can directly use comma total, but here I want to show some new thing. Okay, but I want to show NaN information. I want to show NaN based information. So here we can use two things. I want to copy and we can, okay, to display null value hold all rows. Suppose in our data frame I want to show only blank null value details, so we can use isNull function. We can use isNull. Okay, I want to save and run this program again. So this function you keep in mind. So you can see this is our first output. This is our first output. You can see here roll number have data, so it will display false. False. So all false you can see, but in last NaN, so NaN you can see true, means this is our null value, this is our blank value. Yes, it is present, so it will give true, because std is null function check each and every value when it will found NaN, so it will display true entire data frame. But in next example I want to see only total column blank values. I want to show only not all data frame, I want to show only total column. So first I want to select total column, then we can use is null, so you can see in next output, you can see in total column you can see 148 false because data is present, 188 data is present, 88 data is present, but in the case of 104 Vinod, here data is not present, so it will display yes, this is NaN, this is a blank value, so it will display true. So simply if you use column name then is null, so it will display true. So we can see our blank values and our empty values we can say with the help of is null function, Okay students, so I want to save this program. Now I want to show new thing. Suppose I want to copy and paste. Okay, suppose I want to save this program, and you can see here, this is our data frame, but here I want to show the total of 88 plus 98. So I want to show here total. So first we search this location. The location of this cell is, you can see here I am using std.ilog. So you can see third column and fourth position. So this is the location. So here I am using std.ilog in square bracket third comma 4 means third row comma fourth column. So this is the location. But here 88 position and 98 position we want. So here I am using is equal to std.ilog 3 comma 2. So 3 third row and comma 2. 2 means 0 1 2. Our maths column is second column we can say. So 88. So here 88 will come plus I want to know the location of 98. So you can see 3 okay comma 3. So we can see comma 3 means 0 1 2 3. So we can see 3 third row and third column. Okay, here column have inside 0 1 2 position also. So here it will give 98. So we can use 88 plus 98, and this calculation result will store in third comma 4. This is the third comma 4 location. So it will replace NaN with this ilog. So here I am showing directly we can change a particular cell value, but we mention clearly the location where is data come and where you want to assign this data. Okay, this is very simple thing. Okay, so I want to save this program and run this program. Now you can see here, you can see 186 because in third comma 4 position, and you can 88 plus 98 with the help of ilog. You know very well integer location function. Okay students, so today I am discussing for the examination point of view question answers. Okay, first you create our data frame, then add a new column, because this type of question will ask in our exam. Add a new column, and this is most important, to add a calculated column. Okay, this type of question will ask. This is also important question, how to add a new row after creating data frame. So this example you keep in mind, and how to display blank values entire data frame or a selected column, and how to replace this blank value. Here I am using direct our position value, position location, and we can directly access the value, particular cell value, and we can replace the cell value. Okay, directly we change in our data frame. Okay students, thank you so much.